Lots of consulting organizations have very deep relationships with the public cloud providers out there, almost all of them. In fact, I would say it would be all of them, unless you guys know something different. And therefore, they're dependent on them for certain revenue. So when in these big, large organizations, there's partners or executives that are assigned just for that particular hyperscaler. You know, the partner AWS Alliance and Microsoft Alliance and Google Alliance, what have you. And it's very important to maintain good working relationships with those cloud providers, considering that they're a source of revenues. However, again, your role is not necessarily to be an outside sales force for the hyperscalers out there. Your role is to basically be a trusted advisor for the enterprises that are employing you. And I'm not sure why we're at this point, but somewhere along the way, I think we kind of lost the script in terms of what role that they need to play. And I think it's fairly dangerous because at the end of the day, if you're paying a big cloud provider and you're paying a big consulting provider as well, you're expecting to get value from those relationships with objective advice in terms of how they should be leveraging the cloud technology and the purposes of doing it, when it's going to work and also when it's not going to work. And I think it's perfectly healthy and perfectly expected that the consulting firms out there are going to be open and honest, both in public and in private, about the trade-offs here. And we're not hearing that. We're just hearing one side of the coin, how you can be successful with cloud computing, how you can be successful with AI, things like that. Not reasons not to use it, how to have a valid architectural process to make sure you're getting to the technology solution that's going to optimize your business. And I think that's a bit concerning at this point.